How to change shipping price in Shopify. So hi guys, the first thing that we need to do is to simply open our browser and go to Shopify. Once you've reached Shopify, go to your account or sign into your account, and once you've been routed to the page, go to the lower left hand side and click on settings. Once you've clicked on settings, go to this panel right here and choose shipping and delivery. Now in this section, you can see general shipping rates, and you can see a blue button here. Click on manage. Next is to go to the general profile. Now you can see your product in here, shipping origins as well. And in this section, you can see domestic. So simply click on the add rate button and input your rate name. So for example, let's have standard and select a price. So I'm going to type in 200. Now click on done. If you want to add a free shipping option, click on add rate once more and input free for rate name. And then for the price, just leave it 0. And as you can see, it's for free. Now for international, you just do the same process, and that's about it. If you've done or finalized everything, click on save. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.